Hello girls, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you my two favorite lip balms, which are tinted lip balms and are beautiful, amazing, because it not only keeps your lips moisturized, it also has SPF and also leaves behind a very natural pinkish tint to your lips after you apply it. And the look which I have created is all with that lip balm. The lip color which you see on my lips is just that lip balm which I have applied, and also I have applied a little of the same lip balm on my cheeks to create that little tinty pinkish look. So I'm going to show you those two favorite lip balms which I always have in my vanity and is of same brand. It is amazing, and which we are going to review it shortly. So my first favorite lip balm is basically they're from the ones which I'm talking about. My favorite tinted lip balms are both from the same brand, which is of Maybelline. This is my favorite lip balm, which is Maybelline's Baby Lip Color. It is Pink Lolita. Yeah, it is Pink Lolita, and it is also a SPF 20 lip balm, which will help you protect from sun, and it keeps your lip hydrated for like 16 hours. It has vitamin E, coconut oil, and it has a little pinkish tone to it. So when you apply it, it will leave a very light pink tone, which is quite natural lips color tint, which is going to leave behind your lips, and it is beautiful and it just looks very fresh. So I'll show you by applying it. What I have done is, so you can see it will leave a little pinkish tone to your lips, and I have applied this to my cheeks also to create this little pinky tone. I always do that. All I need is a kajal and a lip balm to create any kind of look, because it leaves your cheeks also a little shiny, little dewy, glowy, and it gives you a pink good touch. So this is my uttermost favorite lip balm because it has a pink touch, it keeps you moisturized, it has SPF, and it has a very natural look. You can see how light pink it is. It will not even over color your lips, or it is just subtle pink lips, which will create a very natural look. So you can apply it in college, you can apply if you're going to office, or on a daily basis. Everybody has to apply lip balms. So the lip balm which I have applied is the second one which I'm going to show you, but on the cheeks what I have applied is Pink Lolita of Maybelline Baby Lips. So if you are trying to buy any good lip balm next time, you can definitely try buying this lip balm. It is a thumbs up. And this product has around 8 grams of product in it. You just have to rotate and take it out, and it is a 175 bucks, 175 rupees, which you can easily get it in discount in Nykaa, Amazon, and there are some offers with this lip balm. You get another lip balm for free, which is of different color, or is just moisturizing lip balm of Maybelline. So girls, if you want to buy any lip balm, make sure to buy the Pink Lolita, and the code is B506. So B506 Pink Lolita, ow, baby baby lips color is a must try for all you girls. And I'll show you again how pinky this is. It's a very natural pink color. I like natural. I don't like more light pink. It's so subtle and nice and very baby pink. So for sure try it, girls. So my second favorite tinted lip balm is also from the same brand of Maybelline, and it is Maybelline Lips Bloom. This is in Pink Bloom, and this is in a little like a lipstick. It does not have any color when you see it, but when you apply it, after like couple of seconds, it changes its color to pinkish. Like I have applied this to my lips, and I'll show you. If I apply this in like a minute or so, it will change its color. So you can see it is still now nothing you can see, but in some seconds you will see it will turn to pink. So this is a very good lip balm, and also it leaves you a little pinkish touch. So you can, what you're seeing right now on my lips is this lip balm. So you can see it has left a little slight pinky touch on my this one, the second one. The second one is the little pink. It will go a little more pink. And the best part of this lip balm is that the tint leaves behind a pinkish tone like for long hours. Around 16 hours it keeps your lips moisturized. It has again around SPF 16, and it gives you a light pinkish tint here, and it is so moisturized, and it doesn't give you that over greasy look on your lips. And yeah, you are done. You keep your lips moisturized, you keep it fresh, and it looks little pinky too. So you can see I have not applied any lipstick also. So must try this lip balm, because all you want is hydration, less of on your lips, and a subtle pinkish tone which it leaves behind. And yeah, it has SPF which is again very good, and even after a couple of hours, the tint of this pink tint is gonna stay, like it's gonna stay for some time. So you should definitely must try this Maybelline Lip Bloom. So this one is Pink Bloom, and there's one more color which is Peach Blossom, which is again in a little orangey tone, and this is around 180 rupees, which again you can get it in discount, and it has 1.7 grams of product in it. So you can see it changed its color, and it gave you a little pinky tone. So the lip color is this, what I have applied on my lips. So girls, a must try these two lip balms. If you are having plans to buy any tinted lip balms or any lip balm, I think you should go ahead, because it doesn't give you over the top tint. It's very subtle, little into a pinkish tone. These two are highly hydrating, very moisturizing, doesn't look over greasy, and leaves a little pinkish tone, which is very beautiful and very fresh and nice. And it's not an overdo. So college going office girls, must try these two lip balms, and I have created my look with these two lip balms only. I have used on my lips this Pink Bloom, and I have used Pink Lolita on my cheeks. So I use this tint to apply it on my cheeks and look a little pinky, which gives me a very nice pinky look. So yeah, if you have any plans to buy it, definitely these two lip balms a must from Maybelline, and it is worth it. I will put the product details in the description box below so that you can go and buy it. And if you like my video, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.